As you know, SEO is changed and now many people are searching for queries not on Google but on AI sites like chatgpt, for example, Perplexity, Gemini, and also on Google you have AI overviews. So now probably you need new tactics to rank on these search engines, and you need to monitor the visibility of your brand on these AI tools in order to optimize it. Obviously, that's the topic of this video because I want to show you this pretty interesting new tool. It's called BrandPeek, and as you can see here, it's an AI visibility tracker and brand monitoring platform. So with BrandPeek, you can monitor, analyze, optimize your brand's AI search presence. It's one of the first tools focused on doing such things. I will say this is a new frontier in AI tools, and I want to show you this one because this is made by the same guy behind Agility Writer, Adam Young. Maybe you already know Agility Writer. I made many videos here on my channel, you can find them if you want to watch for them, and now he launched this new BrandPeek tool. I hope to be able to show you some of the features of this tool because I don't have a real brand, so maybe I need to show you how it works using some other brand. But anyway, you can, for example, monitor in real time across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and so on. You can do AI overview optimization. You can create an AI fact sheet, so it's a page that AI crawler can crawl to better understand your site content, and you can optimize with EEAT analysis and so on. On their site you also have a pretty good guide on how to use AI overview optimizer to win on AI search. For example, as you can see, we have this long page with all these instructions. And the cool part is you can start for free, because if we go here on the pricing page, you get the free account, 25 credits each month, obviously with some limitations, and then you have different plans, the starter one, the growth one, the scale one. You can take advantage of these 30% off with this peak 30 code if you act fast, because I don't know until when it will be available. Anyway, you will find the link here in the description. Well, the cost is 0 if you want to try it out, so why not? Let's go inside BrandPeek, and this is the first page I see when I enter in the site, the brand dashboard. You need to add your brand and then follow these other steps, but I want to show you here very quickly this sidebar with all these options. There's a brands section with your brands, the topic and queries you can store here. Now it's obviously empty. The optimize section with AI overview and AI fact sheet. Here, for example, you can publish this file on your website with these names or extensions and link it from your footer or sitemap, so AI models can discover your information about your brand on your website. This is pretty interesting, and it's probably the most important thing you need to do on your website nowadays. You have the playground here where you can test your setup with different AI models, as you can see here, and you can test how your brand appears in AI models on demand in this section. You have your different plans section here where you can upgrade if you want. It's important to note you must maintain an active monthly subscription to keep your analysis data and use top-up credits. If you cancel your subscription, this will result in permanent deletion of all your data. And for example, here, as you can see with the free version, you only have a 30-day data retention, but you have unlimited data retention with one of these paid plans. You also have a What's New section here, where you can see all the updates from the beginning up to the latest updates. This tool is quite new. It only has some weeks of life, so at the moment you don't have many updates, obviously. So let's go here, and as I said, I think I need to test this out with some famous brand. Let's try to click on this add your first brand, add brand. Now I have an Italian blog, an Italian website, but I highly doubt that my small blog will give me good results here. So let's use the Apple example. This is, I think, the most famous brand in the world, so maybe we can see more data. I need to insert the brand name, the domain. This is optional. It's a campaign if you want, because you can track the same brands by campaign or project, and you can choose the language. I just need to click on this quick setup, and now it's analyzing Apple's website and brand. And obviously here you will insert your specific brand, so you can monitor it and optimize it. Okay, now I have some first data, the brand summary, category technology, this is done automatically. And now with this free plan I can only choose between the basic AI models. If you have a paid plan you can also choose the advanced models. For the sake of this example, let's say I want to only monitor this ChatGPT 4o mini. You can also choose the location. I can choose the monitoring frequency. It's manual execution only. With the free plan, with paid plans, it's also daily or weekly automatically. And you can also choose a location setting if you want a specific location, maybe outside US. Create setup, and now it's creating topics here. Setup complete. Select the topics below and use run selected to start monitoring. I have wearable technology, I have laptop performance, and I have smartphone features. For each topic, I think I have 3 different queries here, so let's go on this one. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 different queries. These are the most searched queries for laptop performance. Now, imagine you have your brand, you compiled all this data, you have your queries, you can choose the queries you want to monitor, and you just need to run query. Here, for example, I just choose one. For this example, one query started successfully, and it needs some minutes to give results, obviously. Okay, it seems I have a result here. Let me click on this view, and as you can see, I have my query, I have my AI model. I can also click here and take a look at the analysis result. This is more detailed. So brand name Apple, domain was not mentioned, ranking analysis, your brand ranks number 4 out of 8 businesses mentioned. I also have the main competitor and other competitors. I have a sentiment analysis, as you can see here, with a pretty positive score. I have a context and positioning section, shows how your brand was mentioned and positioned relative to competitors in the AI response. List roundup, premium quality level, mention prominence, and price level expensive. Perception scores, quality perception 90 out of 100, and again other values here, specific aspects, feature richness 90 score here. And here you also have some key insights, primary strength, premium build quality and ecosystem integration, and mentioned weakness, expensive pricing. This can be really useful, so you can maybe change something on your site, on your pages, on your brand side, in order to improve these values, the perception people have when asking to AI search engines. This is the analytics section. As you can see here, again, the brand, the topics, this is all topics selected, but you can also choose one specific topic. You see all the models here and the period. This is last 30 days, for example. It's very similar to other SEO tools, SEO analyzing tools, but this is specific for AI and AI overview. Visibility score, mention prominence, again, sentiment score, average ranking, total mentions, and you have data in a quite good visual representation here. With the competitive rankings, you can see the mentions and you can see the average position for each one of these competitors other than your brand here. Again, this tool is new, so it's the first time for me to use it and show it to you, so maybe I'm missing something, but I think it's pretty useful if you have a brand, if you want to optimize for AI. You can go here on AI platform comparison. I think I don't have data here because I just choose 4O mini. You also have the topic comparison. Again, I just choose this one before, so I can only see these values, but anyway, you can understand how this works. Let's go on this AI overview, and here you can start your first analysis. Here you can choose a specific target keyword, a page URL referred to that keyword. You can paste your content or scrape it from the URL, and you can obviously analyze and optimize your content. As you can see, this will cost 10 credits per analysis, includes AI overview extraction, content scraping, EEAT analysis, brand analysis, strategic recommendations, and you will use 2 credits per strategy. And obviously with the free plan you can't do really much, but you can anyway try it out and see if you like it. You have 25 credits per month, so maybe you can do 2 analyses per month, but it's free, or you can choose one of the paid plans. And as you can see, you have many more credits, 250 here with the starter plan, and 1000 credits per month with the growth plan and so on, and even more with this scale plan. Again, here on this page, how to use AI overview optimizer to win AI search, we have an example of how it works. After the analysis, you have the AI overview, the brand, the EEAT section, the gaps section, the strategy section, where you can have suggestions on how to improve your specific content. This is the AI overview result here. This is the EEAT score, so you can even optimize your EEAT. This is pretty important. You have your content gap analysis compared to other competitors, obviously with weak areas, opportunities, missing topics and so on. And you have your strategic recommendations in this section. And if you have a paid plan and also have an agility writer plan, you can automatically improve your content with the strategy application. You can connect your agility writer account and optimize your content based on these recommendations directly in Agility Writer, because again this tool is made by the same guy. Here in your profile section, as you can see, you can integrate Agility Writer. Now it's not connected, and you can also convert your Agility Writer credits to BrandPeek at 1:5 ratio. But anyway, these are details. I just wanted to show you this new interesting tool. Basically, it's an SEO tool, but focused on AI search engines. Again, this is the future, so I suppose this is just the beginning for this kind of tools. I think we will see many of these AI search optimization tools, and this was just an overview for BrandPeek. If you want to try it out, a link is in the description. You have this discount code, you can find it here above for a 30% off on all plans with the code PEEK30. You can even start for free just if you are curious to try it out with your brand and your website articles, and if you like it you can upgrade to one of these other plans. And that's it, I hope you enjoyed this video and this new tool. Again, it's pretty new, so it will also have many new features in the future. If you think it's good, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, check the description for the link and other Agility Writer videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.